So today I'm going to show you guys how you can make up to $100 per day by posting on classified ads websites like Craigslist, OfferUp, etc. What's up, guys? This is Ayub from ViralWhirl, and before you get started on watching this video, I have something really important for you guys. So if you guys are interested in making money online and starting your own online business right on YouTube, starting your own affiliate business, affiliate marketing, where you could make money off that also, I want you guys to subscribe to my second channel, okay? Because that's where I'll be posting frequently, okay? I'll be posting affiliate marketing content on there. I'll be posting online business content where I run you guys through my online business, how I make money through YouTube, and it's not through ads. I can tell you that it's not through ads. I make money through other stuff. That's what I'll be showing you, and I'll show you guys how you could do the exact same thing and make up to 6 figures a year by doing just that. So subscribe to the second channel. It's below in the description. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe. So yeah, guys, like I said, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make $100 per day just by posting on classified ads websites. So websites like Craigslist. Oh, I spelled that wrong, but who cares? Craigslist, OfferUp, and other countries like the UK. I think you guys have Gumtree or something like that, or Gumroad. I don't know. But yeah, basically on classified ads websites. So basically, this method is really easy. You don't have to do much. All you have to do is post on classified ads websites. So in this example, I'm going to show you guys OfferUp, okay? So OfferUp is a place where you could sell stuff. It's just like Craigslist, okay? It's just like Craigslist, but it's more flashier, okay? Craigslist has like that 2000s-esque theme. But yeah, this one is an app too. Okay, so you could download this on your phone. It's an app too. But yeah, on OfferUp, like I said, people sell stuff locally, and now they do have shipping. But you're not going to be selling stuff on here. You're not going to be selling stuff. You're basically going to be making affiliate commissions off posting on here, okay? So how do you do that? I'm pretty sure most of you guys are confused. You're posting on classified ads websites, but you're not selling stuff. Well, that's easy, okay? What you're going to be doing is basically posting giveaways, okay? You're going to be posting giveaways, and you're not actually giving away stuff. So don't worry about that. You're not going to have to spend money out of your pocket. So basically, what you're going to be doing is posting ads. Okay, first, before we get to that, let me just tell you guys, I get a lot of questions. Does this stuff work internationally, like in other countries? Because a lot of people that watch my videos are probably not from the US or from the UK. They're from Europe. But yeah, I think this does work. It should work in other countries. But if it doesn't work, all you got to do is fire up a VPN and start posting on Craigslist in the US or OfferUp in the US. So yeah, this is tested in the US. I'm pretty sure that this is tested in the US and it does work in the US. But like I said, for other countries, you could test it yourself. And if it doesn't work, you could do the same thing. You could just fire up a VPN and make it work in the US on OfferUp or Craigslist or some other classified ads website. But for this example, like I said, I'm using OfferUp. What you're going to be posting is giveaways. So for example, let's say, let me just find something that I can use an example of. Okay, so these Apple AirPods. So let's say you post an item right here. Post an item, say Apple AirPods for free, $0. I'm giving out Apple AirPods for free. It's a giveaway. And then obviously you're going to get a lot of messages, okay? Because free items, you all know everyone likes free stuff. You're going to get a lot of messages. And within those messages, what you do is basically tell them, sorry, I already gave away the AirPods, but you can buy the same ones over here. And what you're going to do is basically point them to Amazon, okay? Point them to an Amazon link. You could sign up. If you guys don't know what Amazon Associates is, it's an affiliate marketing program. So whenever you post the Amazon Associates link with your ID, you get a commission if anyone buys anything off Amazon, okay? So like I said, for example, you post AirPods. I'm not saying go post AirPods, okay? I'm not saying go post AirPods. You have to be more creative with this because obviously everyone knows where to get AirPods from, okay? Everyone knows where to get AirPods from. I'm not saying to do the obvious and go post AirPods like this. I'll show you another example in a little. But yeah, This is just an example, guys. Don't take it seriously. And that's the thing with the methods that I post on my YouTube channel. A lot of people take the methods and examples like literally. When I post a method or an example, I show you guys an example, you have to have a twist, okay? I'm not saying to do the exact same thing. I'm telling you, I'm giving you this method. I'm giving you this method. I'm giving you an example, okay? Use that example and do it with a twist, like I'm going to show you in a little. So basically, let's say we posted these Apple AirPods for free giveaway. You're going to get a lot of messages. I'm serious. You're going to get a lot of messages, like thousands of messages. And you just reply to each message, okay? Tell them, I already gave the AirPods away. I already gave this item away, but you can get the same item over here. That's where I got it from. And you're going to link to an Amazon Associates link. You got to sign up for Amazon Associates. It's their affiliate marketing program. So you're going to point to the product, let's say AirPods. So let's say you're going to point to this product with your affiliate link. You're going to show them that, and they're going to go on Amazon. And even if they don't buy, they have 24 hours to buy, right? They have 24 hours to buy. But get this. If you get them on Amazon, if they even put this in their cart, okay, if they add this into their cart, let's say they get this into their cart. I'm not saying they buy it. If they get anything into their cart, they have another 90 days extended, okay? So during that 90 days, they could literally buy anything off Amazon. Let's say they could buy a freaking fridge, okay? They could buy a refrigerator off Amazon within that 90 days, and you're still going to get a hefty commission, okay? Because refrigerators are fucking expensive. But yeah, I'm not saying someone's going to buy a refrigerator, but still, I'm just saying anything they buy within that 90 days off Amazon, you're going to get a commission off, okay? And that's how it works, basically. What you're doing here is just luring people to click on that Amazon link so they could trigger that cookie, okay? Once they trigger that cookie, they're stuck for 90 days. So if they buy anything off Amazon for that 90 days, you're going to get a commission, okay? So let me show you guys another example, because AirPods is a really bad example. I mean, everyone knows where to get AirPods from, and AirPods are pretty expensive. Let's look for something that's cheaper. So yeah, this usually works in the beauty and health niches. Yeah, that's where it can work, the beauty and health niches. Car parts, it can work for car parts. It can work for jewelry. But yeah, let's see beauty and health, what they have over here. Okay. This one's used, okay? So let's see this one. Okay, so this is basically a trimmer, okay? It's a hair trimmer. You could trim your hair, you could trim your whatever with it. It's a hair trimmer. It's for $50. So you could post this same hair trimmer on OfferUp for free, okay? And say that you're giving it away. It's new, never used. It's in the box. I'm giving away this. I have nothing to do with it. I'm giving it away. And you're going to get tons of messages, okay? Tons of messages, people asking you about this free trimmer. How can I get it? Do you ship? Is it local pickup only? Whatever. And you're going to tell them, sorry, unfortunately, I gave it away already. This method is pretty black hat, okay? So it is black hat. It's black hat. For me personally, I wouldn't do this method right now because I'm already making money in other ways. I don't have to do something like this. But this is side money. This is good for people who are beginners online, beginners to making money online, teenagers, whatever. If you're just starting to make money online, this is good for you. Like I said, it's pretty black hat. A lot of people wouldn't agree on doing this, but you're not really doing nothing wrong, okay? You're just posting for a free giveaway and you're telling them that you gave it away already. So let's look up the wall trimmer. Okay, so this is it for $21. You're using Amazon Associates to link to this, okay? So once you get messages on this item right here, when you post it for free as a giveaway or whatever, you're going to get a lot of people asking you about this. A lot of people messaging you. Tell them, sorry, I gave it away, unfortunately. But you could buy the same one here. This is where I bought it from, on Amazon. They're going to go on here, and hopefully they'll buy, and hopefully they add to cart. If they add to cart, it's going to get extended to a 90-day cookie. So if they buy anything within that 90 days, you're going to get a commission off it, and you're going to make some money, okay? So with this method, you can go a bit farther, okay? And you could start your own Shopify store, okay? Your own Shopify store, and you just go on AliExpress and search for items on AliExpress. If you want to make like the full profit and not just the commission off Amazon Associates, you could do this. So you can go on AliExpress, say this watch right here, it's $18. And again, guys, this is just an example, okay? I want you guys to be creative with this. I want you guys to do your own thing. This is just an example. So this watch right here, let's say we're giving away this watch. So I get this picture of this watch, I save it, I post it on OfferUp telling them I'm giving away this free watch. It's for free. It's brand new. I'm just giving it away because I don't want it anymore. I got it for my birthday, whatever. I just want to give it away. And you're going to get a lot of people messaging you, okay? You're going to get a lot of people messaging you, and you reply to them. Tell them, sorry, I don't have this watch anymore. And you're going to set up the Shopify store. I already have videos on my channel how you could set up a Shopify store, so you could go watch those. Set up your Shopify store. Set up the plugins and everything for AliExpress for drop shipping. And then you could get this watch. And then you're going to put that on your Shopify store and then link it to them. Tell them this is where I got the watch from. This is where I got it from. And it is pretty cheap. Tell them it is pretty cheap. It's only $25. It's on sale right now. Whatever. Be creative with it. And then people are going to click on your link on that Shopify store, and hopefully they will buy it. There is no cookie like Amazon. So you're going to hope for them to buy it. But like I said, you're going to get thousands of messages. At least 1% or 2% of those people will actually buy. Okay, because they're interested in it. They see it. They're interested. That's why they messaged you in the first place. Well, they messaged you in the first place because it's free and you're giving it away. But still, they're going to be interested in it. So, yeah, guys, that's how you can take it a step further by building your own store. If you don't want to build your own store, like I said, you just sign up for Amazon Associates and you could do the affiliate marketing thing where you get a commission off it. And that's it, guys. You can do this on every website. You can do this on Craigslist. You could do this on OfferUp. You could do this on Gumtree or Gumroad. I always forget what that's called. You could do it on any classified ads website. And when you're doing these types of methods, black hat methods on classified ads websites, you're going to get banned. You're going to get your IP banned. So make sure you're always using VPNs and stuff like that. Make sure you use a VPN. If you have a dynamic IP, always turn off your router. And make multiple accounts with different phone numbers. That's with different phone numbers. Use apps like Burner Phone on your phone to get different phone numbers that you could sign up for accounts on these websites. And yeah, guys, that's how it works. Like I said, this method is pretty black hat. So if you're not interested in trying this method, I have other methods on my YouTube channel and that I'm going to be posting. And if you guys aren't subscribed to my second channel, like I said, on that channel, I'll be posting frequently, like almost daily, on how you can make money online, specifically on YouTube, how you can start your own business on YouTube, a 6-figure business at that, okay? Not just any business, a 6-figure business right on YouTube with only 500 to 1,000 subscribers. That's all you need to start a business on YouTube. And I'm going to document that and show you guys how you can do the same on that second channel. So make sure you go subscribe to that channel. And that's it, guys. If you have any questions, make sure you comment them down below. And that's it. Peace.